was actually thinking of a gear oil change, but
we're gonna do a handcuffed oil change challenge today.
That's what we're doing. So I'm gonna keep this on the whole time then.
Yeah, we're stuck.
Yeah, for an oil change, this should be just fine.
Let me go ahead and set down my sunglasses. Yeah, you come over this way.
I forgot my drinks at home, and now I'm really regretting it. I thought it was going to be. Thank you. Gonna need more, but just start with this. Holy gosh! Oh my god, the orientation is horrible.
Cheers.